Hello, how you doing today, folks? It is Raged back for episode 11 of My Hero Academia Season 4. Last episode we had um, All for One get burned to a crisp, but seemingly it might have taken rewind from the bullets. Seems like what might have been implying. So, yeah, he has eyes. We saw an eyeball, so first time we see him with an eyeball now. Then we had Shigaraki Bakugo trying to using his new support item to do a bigger blast and didn't really do anything to Shigaraki. So yeah, he fucked up Bakugo's arm and the heroes with Shigaraki seem a little rough. So, but let's get into this episode. If you guys enjoy the reaction, go ahead and give it a like, comment your thoughts down below, and consider subscribing to the rest of the channel for future reactions to My Hero Academia and other shows. Let's get into this. Come on, guys. There he is. I was wondering where he was. The big three. Let's go. Come on. Let's get into this. All the big three for a freaking reason. Yeah. Yeah. It's not just one person this time, bro. God damn. He's camouflaging. So you were lonely. That's why you're mad. Whoa. The art popping off for our boy Bakugo. Come on, let's do this. Still, I guess Shimura's still around. Oh god. Oh god. What the fuck is this? What the hell is even happening? Come on. Oh god. There's a freaking plasma cannon. God damn, what the freak is this? They're popping off. Whoa. Damn. Oh no. Just out here teasing with Bakugo. Fucking hell, bro. The fucking speed. This is very similar to like him glowing from having all for one in the movie, or one for all in the movie. This I was always freaking saying that this is how he would get an improvement on his quirk, because his whole body would be able to like secrete the explosions.
イズク、俺まだお前に追いつけるから。そうだ。
So am I.
いや、俺サインを欲しい。
有志の気象情報、急激な気温上昇が気象に乱れが生じているとのことです。
雨でも降るのかしら。あの子、雨嫌いなんだよね。
God damn it, man. I knew it was gonna fucking happen, but fuck.
治療する。ダイナモ。
Okay, now, man. Oh, God. Give me a second. I'm gonna check if there's an after credit scene real quick. But I thought, that's gonna take a second, so you're gonna miss the reaction to the end of that episode. Fucking hell, man. So, if you don't know, I've already read the manga. I'm caught up right now. There's only like 2 more chapters left. I knew this was gonna happen. They did a really good job animating it, though. Like reading, you go at your own pace. It's kind of like, what you're reading. Oh, look, flashbacks. And then you get to the scene where he's, his heart's gone. And it's sorry. Ugh. Baku's my favorite character, if you don't know. I don't think I've really expressed that in this season, in this reactions. So yeah. But yeah, you read the manga and you go like you're just turning the pages, and then you find that scene, and that's where like it hits. But in anime, it's like I don't know if it's just because I know what happens here, but you could. I feel like there's a good lead up. They did a good job leading up to the scene. So yeah, really good episode. I can't wait to watch other people's reactions who haven't read the manga, because fuck, man, they did a great job at this episode. Sorry, give me a second. I'm a crybaby sometimes. Dude, like, one sec. On my shelf here, this is how much of a fan of Baku I am. I have this badass fucking figure. I have another figure that is from the Hero Mission movie. Dude, this is a dope ass figure though. Can't lie. But I have one from the Hero Mission movie, which is like, I got all 3 of them. Bakugo, Deku, and Todoroki, and it's not as good. So, but this one's like really fucking dope. Like, it's just, I took off the bottom because it's heavy, but like, just fucking see how dope that shit is. Yeah. So yeah, he's my favorite character. So it's a bit hard right now to keep my composure, because like I was like recapping, I'm doing my recap here, and like I'm like All Might comes in his freaking like in vestige form, and we got to see that, which is dope, and so like so sad. Yeah, it was good seeing the big 3, fully in action. We haven't seen Mirio yet, so I was like, I read this before, and I know the gist, but I don't remember Mirio here. I barely remember that the big 3 were here. And that's just because it happened a couple episodes ago. So yeah, it's good to good to see them trying their best. Plasma Cannon was a dope shot. It's like they're doing every little bit they can to like wind him down. You know, they're breaking him down piece by piece. That's the best they could do. Yeah. I'm gonna fucking cry my eyes out watching reactions to this. For people that, especially people that don't read the manga, I'm curious how they're gonna take it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the reaction in the episode. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a like, comment your thoughts down below, and consider subscribing for future stuff. I keep looking at myself in the screen. Look, I should look at the camera. Yeah, consider subscribing for more anime, future reactions to My Hero Academia, and other shows. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.